Hi everyone! In this video, we're gonna learn how to describe people by their appearance. So probably you all know how to describe basically like she's tall, he's short, he's fat, and so on. But today I wanna go a bit more in depth. So how can we ask about physical appearance? Firstly, we can ask like this: Can you describe? Can you describe your friend? Can you describe your sister? And secondly, we can ask, what does somebody look like? What is somebody like? Let's start with height. So, how tall is somebody? By the way, when we describe height, we can use be. She is tall. She is short. And if a person is normal, not so tall, not so short, normal, we can say somebody is of average height or of medium height. Or we can give exact number, for example, she is around 5 feet 6. Let's move on shape. This is a little bit sensitive subject, so especially when you describe a woman, be careful in order not to be offensive. So, firstly, I want to speak about positive adjectives, which means thin. Slim, we can say slender, or we can say lean, or lanky. Lanky, I wouldn't recommend to use it a lot. It means taller more than normal. So, very long limbs. So, that's why it's not good to use it, I would say. So, in petite. Petite, this adjective is used for generally for women, who are very small build. So, in this case, you can use it. Very polite way of saying fat. We can say curvy, especially for women, which means a little bit fleshy, and womanly, in a good shape, like woman. So for men, we can say well built or muscly, muscular, or we can say stocky. Negative way of saying thin, skinny, bony, underweight, heavy, big, obese, large, or chubby, round, plump are very impolite way of saying overweight. While talking about face, we can describe its shape, for instance, oval, round, chubby, and we can talk about what someone has on their face. For example, someone can have wrinkles, which means the lines on the face that appears when someone gets older, and maybe someone has crow's feet that are lines that around the face. If someone laughs a lot, that appears earlier than normal. And maybe freckles. Freckles are, the spots on the face, maybe on the nose. And dimples are the holes that appears on each sides of the cheek. When someone smiles or maybe cries, it appears. Someone who has a round face, they can have double chin. This flesh, this fleshy part is called double chin. All right. So, and someone can have scar on their face, and I'm not going to talk more about hair because I have another video in which I've talked a lot about hair. If you want to learn more, you can watch this video because there is information about hair types, hair textures, hairstyles, hair bands, and so on. About nose, we can say small, big, or if the nose is not straight, we can say crooked or hooked, or if the nose is so small, we can say button. When we describe eyes, we can say its shape as well. For example, a round eyes, or big eyes, or almond eyes, or Asian eyes, and also its colors. And when we describe its colors, we can use two structures like be and have. For example, she is green-eyed, but she has green eyes. When we use be, we will use this structure: be plus color plus eyed. And when we use have, we will use this structure: have plus color plus eyes. When we describe complexion, let's say skin, we can simply say fair or dark, or if a person is, colorless, we can say pale as well. And for general appearance, we can use these adjectives: good looking for boys and for girls, or stunning generally for girls, attractive, pretty, beautiful for girls. And for boys, we can say handsome, good looking,